Howdy everybody, welcome back to the storage room at Health Force Kentucky. I'm Bruce Williams and this is Amy Brasher. She's one of our educators and today we're working in the makerspace. What we're making is for emergency C-section delivery for the ALSO course. It stands for Advanced Life Support Obstetrics. And we are making a tray full of silicone that can be cut to help train in the event of an individual having to emergently deliver a baby via C-section, if the mother has crashed or had other complications. So we are making this for the ALSO course, and just an example of some of the things we make in the makerspace. These molds are for gunshot wounds, stabbings, bite marks, and things like that. If you've heard the term moulage, and a lot of people haven't, I call it cake decorating on people. So we use it to create stabbings and gunshot wounds and road rash and different things like that. So this is some of the things that we'll make. This particular mold on the table is what this came from. And so these are wound packing trainers, and we're able to provide these to you and your organization to have a stop the bleed class or talk about wound staging or measurements. And this is a different one. It's a little bit on the larger side for wound packing and staging. There is different varieties, different textures, and different skin colors that we can do with these. We're also able to recreate and reproduce skin layers that if you are doing a crike training and you want the students to be able to cut multiple times, we're making sheets of this that you don't have to buy the marked up price out of the catalog. So we can, working with you, determine what skin colors and also what thicknesses you want so that we can help provide those disposable kind of items for your training program. If you are within our 16 county region and interested in leasing or having a loan of any of the equipment, please contact healthforcekentucky.org and fill out an event, equipment, or tour request, and one of our staff members will be back with you as soon as we can.